Let us start with the statistics section of ACET 2024. Okay, yeah. The first question in front of you is, what is the probability of rolling a sum of 6 or 8 with two fair six-sided dice? Okay, so we know that the probability of getting 6 or 8 individually separately is 5 by 6 each, 5 by 36, 5 by 36, right? So definitely the probability of getting it is 5 by 80. Just be. Next question. A jar contains 15 red marbles, 10 blue marbles, and 5 green marbles. Okay, 15 red marbles, blue marbles, green marbles. If a child selects 7 marbles from the jar, in how many ways can they select them such that they receive at most 3 blue marbles? At most, that means 3 and less. So 0 blue marble, 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many blue marbles are there? 10. So out of 10, 0. So if 0 blue marbles are there, then 7 marbles will be combination of red and green and so on. So that's how we have to find out the combination. So there are the possibilities, like number 1, 0 blue marbles. So that is your 20, because total is 15, 5, 10, 10, 20. So out of 20, C7, right? Because there is no blue marbles at all. Second is 1 blue marble. Then we have 10 C1 into 20 C6, 1 blue marble out of 10, and the remaining 6 from the overall. 2 blue marbles means 10 C2 into 20 C5, and at most is 3, so this is the last one possible. 10 C3 into 20 C4. Now total ways is, you have to just take sum of these. Okay, so we add, this first one is, let me change the color so it will be prominent. First one is 77520. This is your 10 into 38760. This is 45 into 1504. This is 120 into 4845. So if you add this, the total answer you will get is 1744200. So that is C. Next question. Using this, there are two samples, one with 80 observation and the other with 120 observations. The mean and the standard deviation of first sample is 25 and 5. Okay, while the mean and variance of both the samples considered together is 20. So we are given the grand mean and the first sample. We have to find out the standard deviation of the second sample. So we are going to use the formula of combined variance here. Okay, so what is the formula of the combined variance here? So first we have to use the formula of combined mean and combined variance. So if I use the formula of combined mean, then n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar is equals to n1 plus n2 x bar, right? And if we write down the combined variance, then it is n1 x1 bar square plus sigma 1 square plus n2 x2 bar square plus sigma 2 square is equals to n1 plus n2 into x bar square plus sigma square. Okay, so here we have to just put the values. We have the following values here given. There are two samples, so here n1 is 80 and the other with n2 is 120. Mean and standard deviation of the first sample, x1 bar is 25 and S1 is equals to 5, or I've used sigma, so sigma 1. Well, the mean and variance of both the samples, so grand x bar is equals to 22 and S is equals to 25.6. As you can see, we have all the values. You can just substitute the values and calculate. So if you calculate by substituting all the values, the answer you will get is that S2 square is equals to 16. Therefore, S2 is equals to 4. Okay, not S2, it's sigma, sorry. Sigma 2 square is 16, sigma 2 is 4, which is your answer C. Okay, moving on to the next question. We are given a table and we have to solve from 24 to 26 using the given table. We are given values and the frequencies. So given mean of the distribution as 5, what is the value of P? Okay, we have to find out missing frequency. So we know it is 1 by summation F, summation xi fi is equals to 5. Now, now in this we have basically we have to calculate it. So what is this? This is 2 plus 5, 7 and 8 and this. Okay, so summation xi fi is equals to 5 times summation fi. Okay. So that means if you take summation f, first of all, you will get 2 plus 5, 7, 7, 8, 15, 15 and 6 is 21. 21 and 6 is 27, 27 and 5, 32, 36, 36 and 4 is 40. So it's 40 plus P. So you can substitute here as 40 plus P. And x into f is, you just have to take the product, 2, 10, 24, 24, 5p, 36, 35, 32, 27, 10, add. So if you add it, you will get, actually, yes, if you add it, the value that you will get is 2 plus 10, yeah, so just add it, it's 2 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 24, okay, so 2 plus 10, 12, 12 and 24, 12 and 20, it's 48, so let's do it this way. 48 and 10 is 50, so it's 60, 60 and 36 is your 96, 96 and 35 is your 161, 161 and then so on. So yes, here you will get the value as 5p plus 200. So the equation we have got is summation xi fi is 5p plus 200. So this equals to this, as you can see. So from here, we have p is equals to 10. Okay. Next, what are the median and mode for the same? Okay. So let us first find out the median here. Maximum frequency 5 is 10. I mean p is 10. We have got it. So maximum frequency is 10. So 5 is the mode here. So that means either this or this. I'm sorry, 5 is the mode here. So either this or this. So we have to find out the median now. Now, for that, the values here are given as this. So this is frequency. The total frequency here is what? Total frequency is 50. Right? So 50 by 2 is 25. Here we have even number 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 10, even number. So 25 and 26. The value between 25 and 26 will be the mean. So that is 5. So it's 5. 5 is the correct answer. Median is 5. Mode is 5, which is C. The correct option is C. Next, what are the mean, median and mode if p is equals to 0? So if p is equals to 0, then, so if p is 0, then of course the highest mode is, frequency is 8, so mode is 3. And total is 40. So 40 divided by 2 is 20, right? So 20 corresponds to this value. So now 20, in order to find out the median, so we have to find out one. So now since it is 20, so median will be 4 and mode is 3, and mean does not change, as you know, because both side PP gets cancelled 0 0, so it balances out. So mean remains 5. So mean remains 5, median is now 4 and mode is 5, so it's option B. 27. A random variable x takes only two values 0 and y with probability this 0.6. Then the x value of e exponent x exponent 6 is how much? Okay. If there are only two values, if probability of x0 is this, then probability of x is equal to 1 is definitely 0.4, right? So it's very easy. X to the power 6 is equal to summation x to the power 6 into probability. So it is first 1, so that is 0 to the power 6 into 0.6 plus 1 to the power 6 into 0.4, so the answer is 0.4. Next one. Given that in a Poisson distribution, the probability of observing 4 is 5 by 4 times that of observing 5, the mean of the distribution is how much? Okay. So basically probability of x is equals to 4 for the Poisson distribution is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 4 by 4 factorial, that is x value, and x is equals to 5 is 4 and 5. So for p of x is equals to 5, it is e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 5 by 5 factorial. Now how are they related? So they are related that the probability of observing 4 is 5 by 4 times that of observing this. So e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power 4 by 4 factorial is equals to 5 by 4 e to the power minus lambda, lambda 5 by 5 factorial. So basically we just have to e to the lambda and e to the lambda gets cancelled. So it's 4 by 5 into 5 factorial by 4 factorial is equals to lambda 5 by lambda 4. So this is lambda. So lambda is equals to this is 5 factorial. So this is 5 gets cancelled. So it's lambda is 1 basically. Sorry, lambda is 4. This gets cancelled. 5 gets cancelled. So we have 4 here. So lambda is 4. Okay. Last one. Which of the following is not a discrete distribution, uniform, binomial, exponential, and Poisson? It's PMF, and this is also PMF and comes both, but exponential is definitely not a discrete random. Here we have PDF. So it's C. Okay.